Hi, I'm Jay with Wheatstone, and I have Zach and Sylvia here, along with the Cox Media Orlando system. These folks are the ones who actually set this all up, and Zach has pre-programmed everything, and Sylvia is the one that has actually made it look beautiful and functional for us to show to the customer and do some other testing. One thing I want to show you now is that I'm going to ask Zach and Sylvia to go around, and we're going to power down all the Wheatstone stuff. And that means we're going to just drop the power supplies for everything for a few seconds, and then we're going to bring everything back up, and you'll see everything will come back up, meters moving, audio everywhere. So if you would, guys, would you go around and start turning stuff off? Just turn it off, and then I'll tell you when to turn it back on.
All right.
Pretty much the worst thing you can do to a system is just take it down in pieces as they're doing. Sylvia, once you turn that back off, I'll have you start turning stuff back on. So right now, the entire system's down. I doubt this would ever happen at your radio facility or television facility. But if you didn't have enough UPS for the entire system, what we've done is we've left all the Cisco's up. Cisco boot times anywhere between 4 and say 9 minutes for the bigger systems. The Wheatstone stuff up from a cold start is about 1.5 minutes. So if you guys would start turning everything back on, hopefully we'll have audio here pretty shortly. Like I said, there's no specific order that anybody's turning stuff back on. It's just whenever the power switches come back up. The system really doesn't care. It will auto-negotiate all of its own signals. If we did decide to have the switches come down, as the studios are booting up quicker, they would actually start producing audio. They would be mixing. You'd be able to take local content, get that around the IP network, directly out to transmission if necessary. Once the rack room switches came up, they'd all be connected. So right now you can start seeing that all the LX24s are coming up. Their power supplies, they're going through their boot cycles. The blades are warming up now. All the TS4s, they stayed connected because we're using PoE out of the Cisco's, and since we didn't turn those off, all those are going to stay illuminated. I'm not sure how much time it's been. Yep. So just gives a few more seconds here. Again, pretty large system, 75 blades, 19 surfaces. This system's going to be joining an existing in-house system of 20 blades with 2 LX24s and a big newsroom. So we took the time and precaution to make sure when we did all the IP addresses, everything was out of the other range. You'll start to see stuff coming up now. Got some audio here. All the LX24s are up here, coming around basically in the order the power switches were turned on. We've got all of our L series boards here. Everything is back up and running. We didn't have a watch here, but I'm sure you folks at home are looking at the timer on the video, and you'll actually see how long it takes to bring your entire 19 surface 75 blade Wheatstone system up from scratch. Thanks for watching.